Hey everyone, welcome to this video. I needed a new PC. I've never built a PC in my life ever. I've watched plenty of videos online, on YouTube, on TikTok about PC builds and building your own PC. It looked super interesting and super fun to me, so I thought I'd give it a try. I was really scared. Honestly, I was really scared, but I ended up building it. So this PC, I built this PC mainly to help me with editing, also gaming, and just for a lot of uses really. I just needed a daily driver to help me with editing videos and photos, especially for YouTube and for TikTok, also for gaming too. And yeah, my MacBook, don't get me wrong, I use it to edit on the go, but it's not as strong as my PC. So whenever I'm at home or in my apartment, I can use my PC to edit videos, and it's much stronger than my MacBook Air. So yeah, it took me a long time to fully build a PC. I think it took me maybe 12 to 15 hours. The part that took the longest was cleaning all the cables and cable management. I didn't actually record the cable management because it stressed me out. It was really stressful. But yeah, it was a fun experience, and now I definitely know much more about computer building and PC building. So if I was to build one again in the future, I know definitely what to do, and it won't take me 12 to 15 hours. Yeah, I've been away for a long time. I haven't uploaded. I've been busy with life, but I'm finally here today with a video of me building my own PC from scratch. I hope you do enjoy the video, by the way. And yeah, more content coming soon. Don't worry, there'll be more content coming in terms of travel and food and much more. But yeah, I hope you do enjoy the video. If you do, please drop a like. I would really appreciate it. And yeah, just sit back and chill and watch the process from start to finish.
Many hours later.